Let's go. It's my turn. Take it down. Oh, she's going. She's the racer. Hey. Don't worry about a thing. Everything gonna be alright. Worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. I woke up this morning from the rising beautiful sun. Little birds sitting on the window. This is the message to you. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today it's a new beautiful day over here, and we give much thanks to Almighty God because it's another beautiful and great day that we are breathing. And yeah, we are just resuming back to our beautiful great days over here. So feel free to subscribe, comment down below what you think about this video, and of course we appreciate your support by commenting and liking this video. You know, the moment you like this video, that's the moment where YouTube tend to suggest it to very many people, and the moment it's being suggested to very many people, that's why you get something from that. And yeah, so on today's video we are going to out just with my family. You know, we have been in this beautiful one-bedroom house for long, until just today we felt like no. You know, even my son is around here today, and they just closed school, and he came back to see the parents over here in Mombasa, and was like no, this will be the best moment now for me to go out. And also my sister is here, my wife is here, my son or my daughter Maria. You want to come and say hi? Why were you peeping? Oh, she's my sister. Why were you peeping from there? Come say hi. She was peeping. I was like, oh, who's that?
Morning guys, afternoon, evening. It's from course I'm going to this video from. Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, share, and leave a nice comment.
Hey.
Yeah.
How is it? How do you feel now to finish your short courses?
I feel nice.
You feel nice. Now everything is going
I
system.
miss my friends.
You miss your friends back. Don't you miss even your friends when you were at high school?
At school I only had 2 friends.
Okay, 2 friends. May I have 1,000 friends. Anyway.
Like I had a lot of friends. Like almost those school students used to love me. But you know, you must have the best ones. Yeah,
the one you share secrets with.
Yeah.
The one you tell, hey,
two.
today I don't have sugar. Hey, today my coffee is off.
Yeah.
Okay.
There were only 2.
Okay. That's nice. So guys, this is my little sister, my young sister, called Felicitas, and she just finished her school. She finished school, and now she's here waiting for her time now to join the university. You know, few months to university. Hey, now you which course did you select?
I'm going to do Bachelor of Physiotherapy.
Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Now we are waiting now to see which university will call her, because
I'm just waiting for calling letter.
For the calling letters. Anyway guys, let's cross fingers for her so that she might be called for a better university. And you know, the moment she be called in a better university, it's another burden now, we say. You know, it's another thing to carry over here and work with it. Every single time, every coin counts, you know.
Yeah,
it will be heavy on my shoulders. But anyway, God is here, and he has been always on my side. But so
I am your firstborn.
Hey, she's my firstborn actually. She's my firstborn. Richard, my typical biological firstborn. That will be one of the. If you need that story, we'll just give you why I usually call her my firstborn. We'll give you a short story. But anyway, for now,
Firstborn is taller than her dad.
yeah, the firstborn is taller than the dad. Anyway. Even me, I'm taller than daddy. So anyway, it's just happened. They do happen. Even let me know in the comment section, like, does your son or your daughter taller than you as a parent? Because it's just natural, you know. It's just natural. But for now, I'm not feeling bad that you're taller than me. I'm not feeling bad. Eh? Even I can't cry. Even I can't cry. I can't cry. I'm not even crying. I'm not even bad. I'm not even feeling bad. Anyway. Everything is okay. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. So let's wait. Are you happy we're going out today?
Yeah, I'm happy.
To be you and
I'm happy.
my son. So I'm going to take them today out and they wanna just enjoy and we see. So see you where we are heading and let me know at the comment section. At this moment when kids have closed school at their short time to just come and relax, are you spoiling them today? Let's check and see. Alright, see you on the next place. Bye. Yeah, here we are, guys. Here we are with the little boy. Eh? Hey, what's up, guys? So we are here. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Hey, how was school?
It was fine.
It was good
Yes.
and great.
Yes.
How is everything now?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
You're happy being back home?
Yes.
And how was schooling?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay, let them say. So guys, we are here. Actually, we are in one of the greatest we call them children playground. Children playground, one of the biggest children playground around here. And also I want to become a big child. I want to become a big child. So today I was like, no, we have been in the house for so long, and actually we just and also, you know, they have closed school. In school it's like a small jail. Here we always say like it's like a small jail in Kenya. So we were like, let me just take him around, him and Felicitas. So East Coast. Hey, young man, you're happy? So we want to see who will swim fast, okay? We want to see who will swim fast. So let's just try and see what will be good. Yeah, and let's see what will be the best and the great. So we'll be actually seeing. So who will win this competition today? Which is the end. It will be fun. So ready? I have my wrist and look at this young boy. That is his happiness. And as a dad, I have just to also have a wrist. This is called the wrist. Is it called wristband or wristwatch? I don't know. Oh wow, man, it's crazy. It's very fine and fantastic. Look at you. Huh? Look at you. What are we? Oh, there's a rock there. Very crazy. So let's be moving and see. Let's have enjoy and have our good fun. Hey guys, look at this grass. Very nice and great. Already I'm feeling the vibe. I want to become a very big kid. Even he's not paying attention. Let's wait and see. So guys, we are here and we already had we changed our clothes. We're just having our changing room from this other end, and this place, oh my god, it's really massive. Maybe I can just do one day I can just try and do a very nice vlog over here. So today, look at even the grass. It's very nice and great. Very nice and great. So I want to check on my shoes. Hey, there's some stickers everywhere. Eh? Dance. Dance. I would love to see you dancing. Eh? I want to see you dancing. Dance. You want to dance? Huh? Dance. You want to dance? Okay, let's try and see, guys. You want the one on the app? Ah, Melo, you know I'm freaky afraid of this. I'm freaking. Let's go try. We're just having fun from this side. Okay, let's go. It's fun all day, guys, so it's just fun everywhere. Let me try to find even a nice place where can I be, because it's crazy. You have to find something good and great that you go up. Let me show you something. You go up and then you start diving. Where are you? For sure this is fun day. Which one? Okay. Yeah? Okay, let's go get one, right? Guys, this is what you see around. It's just a typical fun day. Okay, no, that's one for somebody. Okay, let's just try. Let's get one and then we wanna check. Should we go to that one or here? Oh my god. Ah, it's fun all over. It's fun. I wanna just go starting from that point over there, sliding this point. So let's go try. Ooh, sorry. Eh? Which one? Okay, but everybody has taken, so we are missing it. Okay. Yeah, take it. Oh, no. You say what? This one is for someone. We don't know. Let's just go. Let me go, guys. We want to try something here very scary with Melo. I don't want to see what's this. This is actually over here. Which one? The yellow one? Okay, let's go. It's a little disorganized, but let's try. Let's try and see. Let's go with the kids. We are following the tracks, guys. It's fun all over. I'm a dad now, but you see even some grannies are here too, not only me. So if grannies are here, what about me? So we're just going to have great fun, alright? So let's go. Okay. So this one is on the other end. Oh my god. Let's go. So now this one is single and double tube. Alright, wait Melo. Single and double tube. Let's wait and see. Oh my god, kids are queuing up. So I'm the big kid. Let's try this. You see, even there's a papa here. Very nice. So I'm not the one over here. So we will try this one and then we'll go try another one. Only single tube permit. This is single tube. Oh man, let's go for the double one. Oh, this is single tube permitted there. The double one, I don't know where the double one are. Also crows are here. They don't want to give us session, so there's a crow there. Oh my god. So let's wait and see. Oh, Melo got one for me, which is very nice. He's very good at this. So let's go again. Let's try another one for the single one, and then we see. Oh, it's freaking crazy, man. Huh? You enjoying? Hey, Jah love me, Jah love me, Jah love me, Jah love me, Jah love me. Let's go and see. Let's wait and see. Wait a minute. Hey, you should do that, okay? Wait. Hold this, man. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Hello! Oh no! Man, come on! It's crazy. Where are my specs? Where are my specs? Hey, it's fun. Look from up there, guys. Oh my god. You say what? Can we have the single one? Or should we pick this one, Mel? The other one. It's crazy. It's so sweet. Let's go for this one. This one, it's only single tube permitted. The other one we were with Melo. So let's go with this one, the single one that we wanna see. So guys, we're going to try the midnight cascade. It's called midnight cascade. So let's try and see. Let's try and see. Midnight cascade. You see inside? Let's see inside there. It's going there. It's called midnight cascade. There it's your dance. People are screaming, man, crazy. Wait, Melo. Okay. It's nice. Okay? It's a minute now. Very scary inside here. Very scary, guys. Just burn your feelings. Oh. Let's go. It's my turn. Let's go. Come on, man. Take it down. Let's take it down, man. Yeah? Hey, it's midnight for sure, man. Yeah. How is you? I'm good, Baba. Oh, okay. They're good. Okay, it's fine. Say hi. Oh, you're fine. You from Mombasa? How is Mombasa taking you? Mombasa is good. Oh, okay. You are enjoying. How is did you try the midnight?
Very tight.
How is it? It's nice. The experience? It's good.
Yeah.
Maybe you can tell for those who are willing to come here, what's the experience for you?
The experience is good.
Yes.
It's very nice.
Okay.
Somebody will get here with a lot of
Excitement. Oh wow, nice. Enjoy, Papa. Thank you so much. And sure subscribe to my channel, Claude Joseph. My channel, Claude Joseph. Yeah, CLAUDE Joseph. Thank you, man. Peace. Okay, peace. Okay, peace, man. Peace. Alright, guys, let's wait and see what's happening. Melo, mine is gone, bro. It's gone. My tube. Oh, this one. Ah, this one. Oh man, crazy. No. It's so beautiful to try that. It's crazy. It's really midnight. Come on, man. Real midnight. You know, you are trying to see as if you're like. But let's try another one, right? Let's try this. We'll see. Did I even lost my? Let's go and check. All right. Okay. This enjoyment. The big kid is here. Somebody go to the Malabar. Let me cut for you. Somebody cause me. Hey, Melo has gone. Let me drive. Now we are going to try the fume slide. We are going to try the fume slide, right? And then we check how it should be. So let's wait and try the fume slide. It's called fume slide. The one you fold your hands like this and then you close your eyes, you die. Something like that. So hopefully everything is going to be on. This is actually, you find it in Kenya, just right here. You happy? Just want to show them the view. Just want to show them the view. No, I guess this way. Then we can get the right. So guys, this is what you see. And this farm actually is so big. As you see, people are just enjoying. Some are having some beautiful swimming there. Others having meals, just having stories. Oh my god, this one is crazy. This is called the night, I don't know, the midnight tram, this one. So I'll be trying this one and then I go to the water there. So we'll try and see. Okay? So let's wait. It's a beautiful place actually. You know? So let's go and try. So it will be time for Melo. Easy. So Melo is going. Okay? Okay. Wait. So he's watching actually. Watching to see the mom. From Bambalulu. On the water, that's beautiful. Let's go, man. It's your time. Bury the fears, man. Go. Should I? We have already gone. Thank you, bro. Okay. It's nice, man. Melo. I was almost eating. I've drank some cups. It's crazy. I just decided to drink some cups inside there. Oh no, man. I was drinking some cups. It's so crazy if you don't know how to swim in there. Oh my god. From Bombolulu they are coming. Let's go the other side. Let's walk this way. These things are crazy, man. Not for me. I'm just a village. You say what?
You left them in the line?
Yeah, I left them in the line and then I came with this one. It's crazy. I never knew the gate was here, so I just decided to come from the other side. Oh my god. It's crazy. These things are not for the faint heart. If you have a faint heart, don't come here. But the good thing is they have the first aid kit standing, you know, like you see there. He has been saying, he has been helped. Oh, it's crazy. It's so deep in there. So it takes you like, and then you go in. Crazy, right? Let's go and see, okay? Hey, the small fish. Go, man, go, man, no. Go. There. Come crazy. Hey, these guys are fast swimmers. Look. Go. That's back swimming, guys. Those are the tactics of Melo, having the back swim. Go front. Go. Come by this area. Come. These things are just crazy, and on the other end you feel like you're standing.
Can I say hi?
Yes, say hi.
Oh my god, how are you guys?
I'm doing good.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel. What's
Yeah,
your name?
Claude Joseph.
Claude Joseph?
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Hi, this is fun.
How you having fun?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell people maybe the experience?
The experience is so nice.
Okay.
I think everyone should come to wild water.
Okay.
To relax.
Okay.
Because you don't have to know how to swim. You can use this like me.
Okay. I'm having the first swimmer, so I'm coaching him.
All right.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I know how to swim, but not much.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Melo, where are you? Melo? Oh, he has gone. Melo alienda mbio. So maybe you can tell them your name.
My name is Fash. This is Fash.
Fash.
Yes, the channel is This is Fash.
Oh, this is Fash.
Yes, the
Oh,
YouTube channel.
thank you guys. Subscribe to This is Fash. Yeah, I'll tag you. Yeah, thank you. So let's go around and see how everything is around. People are just having fun. Oh my god. I wanna just look for a tube. I want to look for a tube and then I'll go round. That should be better, okay? That's where you see Melo is having his own things, not using even a tube. They have blocked you. Just he has gone through down. Look at him. He's a small fish. The music. Kids are racing. Come on, Melo. Oh no. Nice, Judy. Again. Guys, see how people are having fun. Look, that's me. Look how people are having fun. Look, people are having fun, guys. People are having fun. Look, a lot of fun. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Look that migration. Look that migration. That's migration. That's migration. And look up that area. Hey, this is Africa, guys. This is Africa. From USA to Africa. And this is what they set here for. And I'll just tell you how much does it cost for you to have this kind of a wristband. And then we'll be telling you how everything is, the cost, and then you enjoy everything here. Starting from the rainbow, the rain, everything over there. If you want that kind of life down there, if you want to come having midnight cascade, if you want to come and have this one, it's very nice also. That one for free, you know. Here it's just brand new, and very great. Having life best, taking a surprise to my siblings over here, you know. So, look, yeah. You go and record it. I want to record my sister down here. Should be around here and then should be flying. Look how people are having life all the way. You know? There she is. She's going. Look. Hey, go. Hey, she's having life. Hey, she's gone. You'll see her literally there. Let's wait her here. Here. Let's wait her here. You see, she's going. Whoa, there. Ooh, there she's going. There. Shabu. Another one. Hey, this is life, guys. You know. Look. And there's some music over there also. There's this one for sliding, but I don't like it. Hey. And this one, this midnight cascade, and the other one. But anyway, let's wait and see, okay? That's where you see Melo. He's having his own things. He's not using even a tube. They have blocked you. Just he has gone through down. Look at him. He's a small fish. The music. Kids are racing. Come on, Melo. Oh no. Nice, Judy. Again. It's crazy. You know, here the waters are crazy. I want to sit up here and enjoy life. I want to enjoy life like a kid, like a baby. I want to have fun, like this baby. Melo, come. I want to have fun like you. You see? Babies are having fun. Hey. Now if you are big and you want to eat life, this is how you're doing it. So you just dive slowly by slowly. You're going, no hurry. That's not enough. So just going slowly. As the waters continue going, you're going slowly, you're sleeping. You can even sleep. And you have fun. In water. For sure this is wild water. Crazy. Oh, let's go. Hey, I'm being pushed, guys. I'm being given a free lift. Very free lift. Melo, I see you. Hey. Go for here. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let me drag them along. You going? So me, I'm the pushy guy. I'm pushing them. Hey, it's a big school now. I'm the teacher. Hey, it's a big fun. go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, I push you guys. It's now full. Guys, look at this fan. It's very nice, right? Sounds great. Look at that. You're going also? Okay, go up, go up, go up, go up. Go up, I push you. Go up, go up, go up, I push. Oh, wamekwama huku. Gusukumia huku. Okay. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's just a big school. Hey. Alright guys, that's how it is, okay? Just the engine is here. I'm the engine. You want something to be pushed? Oh, sorry, okay. Yeah, class, you okay? You want to be pushed? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Eh? Ah, yeah. I don't want this one. Midnight casket. No, I don't want that. Crazy. Maybe I should go this one. Let me go this one. Let me try this bigger one. I tried the bigger one first. I try this one, and then we'll be ending the video or this vlog, because we have got a very great fun. You see, people screaming in there like crazy. Hey, but this one, There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, there, oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, yeah. Nice. There you go, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go. People are having fun, man. Oh my god. That guy just said, oh my god. Crazy. That one. This one you need to have, you know, you are at the lane. Can I just pass? Just pass. Huh? You need to get another lane, smart. That's why you see all the way. Let me show you now. There are some roads, like some roads in some countries, are roads in China. You see this one? It's making a lot of noise because it's midnight. In there it's so dark, you can't see. And this one is lower, and this one is higher. Yeah? This one is higher. That's what you see here. Everybody's having fun. Everyone is having fun. Hey, these guys are having fun. So we are going the last one, okay? So let's go. are swimming. Let's go. Yo, man. Do you see me? Do you see me? Hey, like a baby. Woohoo. Like a baby boy. Swimming small like a baby. Crazy. Huh? Nice. Go. You see on the other end, we are swimming. Very nice and good. Let's go for the rain. There's also another one here for the rain. This one for the rain here. You get rained on. You know, therapy. You just get rained on slowly. And then you appease your ancestors. You tell the ancestors like everything. It's just rain of the day. And then I'll just use this one again. Stress free. I say stress free. Yeah, it's capturing. It says it's stress free. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. And yeah, so I'm now looking for Melo and Sister Felicitas, and then wanna go home or just have something to eat. So yeah, in case we have something, we'll let you know. But for now, let's just pause and then we'll see what's happening. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, working. I'm swimming. Okay. Go swim. You're enjoying very much. Okay. Yes, everybody's having fun here. Okay. Okay. They're swimming there. Crazy. Okay. They're having real fun. I wish Maria could be big. I wish my daughter Maria to be even 2 years or 3 years. Oh, this will be much fun. But for now, we are with my son Melo and my sister Felicitas, just enjoying. I took them for a day. You know, they have been helping us. Most of my sister Felicitas, she has been helping us a lot in the house. So today we were like, let's go out and just party, enjoy, move around and see, which is a good thing. Yeah, so guys, this is what you see now. Everything is finished. The party is over. As you see, all floaters are there. All machines are closed, as you see. Now they're trying to put some chloride in the water, just to disinfect the water, and then that is it. Now we are going back home. It has been a very beautiful, nice, and a great experience with my family over here. And it has been so nice and great. This is what everybody, and also there was some birthday party here for the school kids. That's what we're seeing how everything is. So if you'll be in Mombasa, don't forget to try these wild waters over here. It's a very nice. Or if you want to surprise them, just come here and have this best moment. So thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much, and bye. Road to 30,000 subscribers. Bye guys. Bye.